Hello friends, today is another Tuesday and it's Transfer Tuesday. If you are new here, every Tuesday I do update my student loan, how it's going, what are some of the things that I'm so mad about. So if you want to know that, keep watching. Hi, hello. This is your girl Josy. I hope everybody's doing very well. Today's Tuesday, it's Transfer Tuesday. I'm still paying off my student loan and I didn't do videos for the past 2 weeks, but I'm still paying. Super excited that I'm paying off my student loan. It's kind of like it's one of the things that stress me out is my student loan. And if you are new here, you realize that I talk about it a lot. Most of my colleagues that we finish school together, they don't care about student loan. But for me, I feel like it's kind of like a standing block. I know everybody has student loan, but for me, I don't want to be normal. I don't want to be like everybody. So I want to pay it off and so that I know that, oh, I don't have it on my list. I've been struggling to pay this student loan off. And now that I'm trying to get the momentum to pay it off, that's when I'm getting a lot of stuff coming in. My budget is on the rooftop. A lot of expenses coming in. I have to do a lot of things in the house. Like, there's a lot of stuff coming. A lot. And I'm going to share with you guys as time goes on. But today, let's talk about the student loan. I did pay while I was even away. So let's look at where we left off. I know in April, we did left off with, let's see, we didn't do the 4th week and the 5th week. But I know it was about $55,629. That's where we left off. So when I check last time, let me bring this out so that we can look at it while I do the May one. Let me also bring my printout out for May already. I'm ready. I'm getting myself together for May. It's been a stressful month from the beginning, getting to the end of May and the beginning, but it's okay. It's part of life. So let's do this. I hope everybody is doing very well. I'm doing okay. This week is gonna be a very relaxed week. I don't want to get stressed too much. I took a little break from work as well, and I'm loving it. So I know that the last time we left off with 55,629, but I will write that one here as the previous month because I didn't update you guys on nothing. So the balance was 55,628. With interest, it did went up a little bit, but I was still paying while I was away. Our percentage the last time we did sign up for April was the free. We left off 40.57%. My minimum payment is still 500 and minimum payment. Then I'll tell you guys, it's still 539.14. As of now, I'm still paying, but the minimum payment is still not really changing because it keep on acquiring interest all the time. I hope you guys can see, but I will zoom in so that we can look at it. I'm using this week as a week 1. That's what we're going to update. And I'm also going to write here 2022. I started with $93,609.63. 2023, I started with 74,000. 2024, 57,421.10. So this is how far we are as of now. This is what we started off this year. As of this week, when I checked the balance, because I did pay for 4th week and the 5th week, the balance on the thing right now, starting the 1st week, which I use this week as my 1st week, is now 54,000, not 55. I was looking on this side. 54,863.77. So that's how much I'm starting for this week as I'm doing the video. The payment I'm making today, which is not a lot, I'm putting down $63.77. So that's how much I'm gonna put towards today. So the balance will be, if I'm taking this from here, will be 54,800. So that's how much we will have if we pay for this week, the $63.77. So this is the balance as of now. So next week I'm going to show you guys how it's going so far. My percentage to the free, I'm pretty sure it won't do much. Will be, let's do the math. So now we are less than 55,000, which is a very great one, because I did pay a lot when I was on break for those 2 weeks that I wasn't here. So percentage to the free will be 54,800 divided by 93,609.63 times -100. So now finally we are at 41%. We enter into the 41, really, which is really very exciting. I've been looking forward to enter the 41 mark so that I can shade my tracker. So I hope you guys can see it as I'm going to zoom in when I'm editing the video so that you guys can see what I'm talking about. So we are finally at 41. Yes. This month I'm going to try and see if we can get to 42 by the end of the month, which will be super exciting. Paying off my student loan make me excited, but at times I kind of get sad because all the money kind of go into interest rate. And also the way they did the system, my student loan with NailNet. The way NailNet does it, you cannot just pay on the principal. Any amount that you put, they pay the interest acquired, then they will put the rest through the principal. It didn't used to be that way when I was with Great Lakes, but now NailNet, the way they set the system, you cannot do that. I've called the customer service, asked them how I should do it. They told me that nope, you cannot do that. So any amount I pay extra during the month, they look at the interest acquired that moment, they take it off and they put the rest into principal. So as of this month, which is May 2024, this is how we are starting it. We started with 54,800 and our percentage to the free is 41.46%, which we've been at 41 for quite a long time. And I know I'm trying so hard to do way better than this, but if I say life is happening, life is really happening. So we will get there. We will surely get there. So today I'm going to shade one box. Yes, super excited. If you are paying off any loan, consumer debt, student loan and you need motivation, come join me. Any little wins count. Any little wins, I'm telling you, it count. Me getting $1 shaded is excitement for me. It's really, really excited. I can't wait to get to the 50. When I get to the 50, I'll tell my husband I need to go get. I like Chick-fil-A salad. Maybe I'll get a Chick-fil-A salad. I'll get a little wine, non-alcoholic wine. Then I'll celebrate. I'll just sit down, eat the salad, drink the wine, and chill. Chill. I mean chill. So this is 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. Yay, we are at the 41 mark. Thanks for everybody for joining me. If you haven't clicked on the subscribe button, make sure you do so that you don't miss any of my videos. And today I wanted to read a motivational message which will come from my planner here for May. Let me go to May. So I was going to read this as the motivational message. It says, praise God from whom all blessings flow. Yes. I always tell people, if you tell me God bless me, I prefer that one than giving me money. Because if you are blessed by God, you know what happened to your life. Change. And it's really a blessing. Not a fake one. A blessing that it gives you peace. A blessing that when you are there, things come on your way and you be like, how did I get into this? That's the blessing that we need. That it shock everybody around you. How is this person doing very well? That is the blessing. The blessing that extends to your generation. That's what I'm talking about. And that blessing is from God. So praise God from whom all blessings flow. I love it. So I wanted to share, this month is my birthday month. I'm doing a lot of giveaway. Don't forget to tune in because I will sneak in most of the video. I'm giving away some of the wallet. I'm giving away 100 envelope savings challenge. I'm giving away my motivational challenge, a lot of stuff. So stay tuned. So thank you so much. I appreciate everybody and I'll see you in my tomorrow's video. Don't miss that. Thank you. Go and be grateful. Bye.